Ready to dive into the world of Weverse and connect with your favorite artists, but the app just won't open? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, let's ensure Weverse is even compatible with your device. Weverse works on most modern iOS and Android devices, so older models might not cut it. Next, head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Weverse. Tap Update if you see the option, as outdated versions often cause problems. If updating doesn't work, try clearing the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Weverse, tap Storage, and then Clear Cache. iPhone users may need to offload app in Settings. A simple restart can often resolve background glitches. Power down your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Check your internet connection. Weverse needs a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection to launch. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the Weverse app. This ensures you have a fresh, clean version without any corrupted files. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be back to enjoying all the amazing content and community features Weverse has to offer. If you're still stuck, visit the Weverse Help Center or reach out to their support team for further assistance. Happy Weversing!